In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Hotjar Site ID. If you're setting up Hotjar on your website or connecting it to another tool, you'll need one key piece of information, your site ID. This is a simple numeric identifier that tells Hotjar exactly which site to track. The good news is, it's quick to find right inside your Hotjar account. Start by logging into your Hotjar account and heading to the dashboard. From there, go to the top navigation and open Settings. In the Settings area, select Sites and Organizations. This is where Hotjar lists every site that's associated with your account, organized by the organization they belong to. If you're part of multiple organizations, make sure the correct one is selected so you're seeing the right list of sites. On the Sites and Organizations page, look at the list of your sites. Next to each site's name or URL, you'll see a number. That number is your Hotjar Site ID. You don't need to click into the site or open a separate page. It's displayed right there in the list for quick access. Each site has its own unique site ID, so if you manage several websites, double-check that the ID you copy matches the exact site you want to track. That site ID is the same number you'll use in your tracking script or in any integration settings. If you're adding the script manually to your site, the site ID is the value you paste into the snippet where it asks for the site ID. If you're using a platform integration or plugin, there's usually a field labeled Hotjar Site ID or similar. This is the number you'll enter there. It's just digits, no special characters. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see any sites listed, confirm you're in the right organization from the selector near the top of the page. If the Sites and Organizations option isn't visible, you may not have the permissions required, so an account admin might need to grant you access. Also, be careful not to confuse the site ID with other IDs you might see in different parts of the interface. The one next to your site's name in this list is the correct value for tracking. That's all you need. Log in, go to Settings, open Sites and Organizations, and copy the number next to your site. Use that same number in your tracking script or integration, and you're ready to capture insights with Hotjar.